Hey everybody, I'm Brian with Fort Knox Company, and we visited the Great Wolf Lodge recently, and on the way back we've driven by this place called Lake Pleasant, and we decided to stop by. You should definitely check it out. We filmed all the different areas that they have here, some of the discovery places for the kids, the camping areas. They have day use and then they have long-term. Really nice, very high-end. Let me show you guys, watch this video. I'll show you the launch ramps, I'll show you the shorelines, and some of the stuff for the kids and the family. And man, they really did themselves on this one. One of the best ones that we've seen. We'll be definitely coming back here to camp as a family. So check it out, show you what it's like. So you can see that they have a lot of things for the kids and the family here, and the shorelines and everything are awesome. They're very clean. A lot of places you can drive up to with your car or your truck. I see a lot of really big camping sites with showers and bathrooms and things like that. They have some recreational areas for the family and the kids, as you can see at their learning center. And there's a lot of places you can actually take the boat out to and drive. And that's the really cool thing that we like, is being able to bring the boat out and actually drive somewhere that's not accessible to road or by a vehicle. So you can kind of get your little privacy and fun out there, but it's big enough to tube and to wakeboard or wake surf. And there's a lot of stuff for the kids. So if you're off the lake and you want to drive them up to the center and have them play on the playground or something, it's really easy to do that. And everything is just nice. The bathrooms are super clean. Everything is very well maintained, and the scenery is beautiful. So if you haven't already, hit the like button. Make sure you subscribe. We do family trips and stuff like this all the time, and I'll do my best to show you guys what it's like. That way you can maybe plan a family trip as well, and you know what to expect. So I'll see you guys on the next build.